Hello guys and welcome to Nailist. Today I'm going to show you some simple and easy designs for Halloween part 2.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee.
Alright, let's get this started, but before we do, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of what I'm doing. And we're starting off with the nude base on the pink side. I'm giving it 2 coats. And now I'm mattifying it using my matte coat. We are going to be doing a bloody knife. So I'm starting by sketching out where the handle and the blade is going to be with some black liner gel. It needs some correction. I'm curing it and wiping it off. You can see the mat now. I'm putting some more detail, and now I'm starting by drawing the blood. I had this idea of putting some mirror dust on the blade so that it looks, super realistic. So I'm putting some non-wipe top coat. I'm curing. Here's my mirror powder, and I'm rubbing it everywhere that I put some top coat on. Cleaning out the remains. And now I'm cleaning it up a little more using my black liner again, but I figured you could probably just clean it with acetone or something like that. I'm sealing it with the glossy top coat, and I'm putting some more red to make it look like blood. Somebody was stabbed here. So the more I was putting it on the blade, the more transparent it looked, and it looked super realistic, you guys. I'm putting some more coats of the red one to make it look a little thicker and three-dimensional. And here you have it. Stubby. On the next one, we're starting off with a black background. Making sure it's evenly coated. And now we're gonna draw our ghost. This white is pretty opaque. This little arm. And cure. We're now going for the eyes. It's a sad ghost. Oh, I can explain. I don't know what happened here. Now I'm topping it with some shiny top coat. Curing it, and you got your spooky, ridiculously easy ghost. On the next one. So for this one, we're gonna give it a pink background, and we're gonna draw a black cat. I'm giving it 2 coats of this pastel pink, and now with some black gel, I'm gonna draw out where the cat is going to be. That's gonna be the head. It's gonna be looking from the outside, from the cuticle area, down. Sorry for being a little out of focus here. That's our head, and here is the tail. I'm making it a little fluffy. Into the light. For the eyes, I was mixing some colors. It turned out like green demon. Definitely spooky. I got some white for the glares in the eyes. And some pink for the ears. Making sure everything is nice and even. And topping it with another shiny top coat. Perfect. Perfect. Next one. Big background again. Two coats. Some matte top coat. Wipey, wipey, wipey. And now with white, we're gonna draw our ghost face. I've seen this everywhere. Everybody and their grandma is having some kind of ghost face from the Scream movies on their nails. So here you have it. You kind of draw a little ball and then a little smaller ball and then the jawline. Filling it in. I'm curing it, and now I'm going for the eyes. Make them look like beans. That's the best way I can describe it. Beans. Oh, I messed up, so we try again. As for the nose, we need a little heart, 2 dots, and another one on top of them. Connect them. And a big O for the mouth. We cure it, and then I'm gonna go do his hood. Or cloak, if you will. Don't be scared to make it thick. Cure it, wipe it, make sure everything looks good. And a shiny top coat only on the face. I'm loving it. It's literally so easy and so fast. And one last design. I'm starting off with a gray base. Some matte top coat again. Cure it. Wipe it. Black for tiny little spider. So we're starting with a big circle and 2 small dots that will be the eyes. Over here you'll see me trying to draw the legs. It looks more like a tick instead of a spider, but I could have never told you that. Maybe you would not know. Anyways, I'm putting some rhinestone glue up for the eyes, and I'm putting 2 little tiny crystals. But I figured why not more, and I put a big chubby crystal for the body. So Voila! And there you have it, guys. That's the second part of my simple, easy, and spooky designs for Halloween. I hope you enjoyed, and please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to the channel if you like my content. I'll see you in the next one.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say like, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems. She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say like, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems.